Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brinton Gundersen, and today we're going to do a tutorial on nose blunt on a quarter pipe. We're going to do a nose blunt in 3 easy steps. First, we've got to get the prerequisites out of the way. Make sure you're comfortable on your quarter pipe with a frontside disaster, a nose pick, and a tail stall. So those 3 tricks offer something unique to a nose blunt that's important. The disaster will help you get set up, the nose pick will help with the twist, and the tail stall will help you learn how to lean into the quarter pipe. Nose blunts can be broken down into 3 sections: the approach, the twist, and the pop. So the approach for a nose blunt: come in straight at the quarter pipe, knees bent, with the same amount of speed as your other tricks that you practiced so far. The twist is important because it's the part that gets you into the nose blunt. Your shoulders are going to stay square, and your lower body will twist into the coping. Twist your front foot like the nose pick, but just push it a little bit further. You will throw your arms back in the direction where you came from. This will help set up your nose blunt. And the pop is after you've landed the nose blunt, you'll need to lean into the quarter pipe just like the tail stall. You'll bend your knees slightly and push back into the quarter pipe to clear the coping and right away. Thank you for watching our tutorial. That was fun. Nose blunts are one of my most favorite tricks. So come back and check us again. Hit the bell, subscribe, you know the stuff. All right, we're out of here. Later.